So you know Obsidian. Writers use it, researchers use it, students use it, often compared to Notion. But do you know you can build anything you want with it? For 2026, I needed to research Instagram Reels. I could use 3 different tools, pull transcripts manually, paste into ChatGPT, copy results to my notes, or I build one plugin in 5 minutes, press a button, paste the profile, choose how many reels. It pulls every transcript. AI breaks down the hooks, the retention tricks, the patterns across all of them, saved in my notes forever. But how does a note app do all this? Unlike other note apps, Obsidian ships with almost no features. Your notes are just markdown files on your computer. No cloud, no subscription, free. The philosophy? Simple foundation plus infinite extensions. The only note system that scales with you. Underneath those plain text files is a plugin system with over 2,000 community extensions. Need a whiteboard? Install Excalidraw. Need automation? Install template, Kanban boards, calendar view, Git sync. Customize it however you like. Want to change how your notes look? Minimal, paper, cyberpunk, no limits. It's kryptonite or superpower. You could spend 3 weeks building the perfect productivity system. 0 actual work getting done, like organizing your sock drawer instead of doing laundry. Or you unlock actual superpowers. And now AI plugins that do things paid apps charge $20 a month for. If you can't find a plugin that does what you need, just ask AI to build one. Get Claude Code. Ask it to build a script. Turn your notes into voiceover. Done.
Wow, that was simple.
Generate images from a prompt. Done. Or something more complex, like turning your flowcharts into animated diagrams. Whatever your brain needs to work better. And while this might seem overwhelming at first, Obsidian gives you a system to build your own. Your notes, your rules, infinite possibilities.